Hello, my name is Frankie, owner of Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair. I'm going to do a tune-up on this Cannondale M200 SE, put some new tires on it, and some new rim brake pads. We got a nice beauty of a bicycle right here. This is a Cannondale Advanced Aluminum Design, Cannondale M200 SE. It was handmade in the US of A. Smoking. That's nice. So you can see these tires are pretty old. Cracking on the sidewalls. It is a what is this? It's 26 by 2.0. So it has a BT diameter of 559. These tires are really worn out. As you can see, there's a lot of goat heads in there. This is what happens when you ride in New Mexico. So I'm gonna do a good job on this bicycle. It's pretty old, but it's a still very good bike. Just needs a new clean job. We're gonna put some new tires on it. Look at these brake pads. These brake pads are pretty bad too. Pretty old. You hear that? Those brake pads are old. I got these Kenda quick drumlins and Origin 8 brake pads that I'm going to be installing onto this bicycle. These are extremely durable tires. I put these extremely durable tires, as you can see, and I'm very excited to put these on. It's going to look super nice. These have a multi-use tread, which is great for riding in New Mexico, and especially Albuquerque, because the roads are not too great in the South Valley. And here we have it. Got the new Kendas on it. Kendas. New brake pads. Oh yeah, multi-tread. Ooh, spin these tires. New tires on it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you're in New Mexico and need a tune-up, give me a call and book online through my website. Have a great ride, everybody.